Hi, my name is Wendy with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you Bold Uniq Color Saviour Shampoo. I started using the shampoo when I colored my hair and it really hasn't changed too much, which is really great. I absolutely love this product because it does have things like Goji and Acai extracts, which protects and promotes your hair vibrancy. Like, look at that shine. It's got vitamin E in it, sunflower seeds. It's vegan, no sulfates, which is great because sulfates dull your hair. I also really like it because it made my hair feel super clean, especially around the root area. And it does make my hair super shiny. You can see it glistening there. Also, the packaging has been made from recycled bottles and completely recyclable, which is nice. No silicones, and it's color safe, which is awesome. The product itself just looks like shampoo, and it gets up a nice good side. Here I am, first step, washing my hair, and it smells heavenly. It's like a berry with a slight vanilla smell to it. It's really pretty. Now, if you've just colored your hair, I highly recommend this shampoo, Bold Uniq Color Saviour Shampoo. I think you should go out and give it a try. But that's my point of view.